There we go. 90 quid, happy days. Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
So it's Tuesday, the second day of half term. And where are we off to, girls?
Bowling.
So we're going over to Centertainment to go bowling. No, Daddy's at work, but we're going to Centertainment to go bowling. So we park near Park Gate, near the tram stop, so that we can go and get the tram. So we're just going to the tram stop. Edie's finally asleep. She's been awake all morning. Yeah, so we'll go to the tram stop.
I saw a tram this morning.
That's good. We've seen the tram this morning, so we know they're running.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed. So we're on the tram. As you can see, everyone's thrilled because I allowed them to bring their phones today when I don't normally. There's Phoebe and Luna. Just waiting for the tram to start moving.
This is
Bye to the bus.
We've just got off the tram and we're going to go to Iceland to get some snacks. Of course, we got to go into a charity shop.
Taking a detour to the charity shop because why not? Well, we went into the charity shop, there wasn't anything in there, so I'm going to go buy the girls a snack from Iceland.
So we've just been to Iceland and got some snacks. So now we're going to go to bowling.
So it needs to go closer.
We got 0. Oh, that's like a I got 1.
It's better than none. You gotta try again.
Yeah, let's try it.
Who's winning at the minute?
Yeah, me.
I think Summer's winning at the minute.
Yeah, you got 15.
Oh, I'm winning at the minute.
This one is not having milk, but this one is not.
I know, but I think that little girl's using that. Put it down.
Do that, just use a different milk.
Just use a bigger one, it's fine. Not use the blue one.
Luna, are you using that easy? That little girl.
Yeah, no, I've asked her not to use it. Yay!
But at least she's getting some faster.
So we finished at bowling. Summer was our winner.
I was second.
I think Poppy was second, then me, then Phoebe.
What? No, Phoebe came third.
Oh, Phoebe came third.
You got 40 and Phoebe got 44.
Oh, I came fourth. Luna came fifth, but in her defence, I didn't put the bumpers up and she didn't use the ramp either. So you did really well, really, didn't you? Yeah. So we're going to get on the tram back to Park Gate, go to Morrison's, get some lunch, go back home to the bus. And yeah, and then probably package some whatnot parcels that we sold yesterday. So we'll do that.
Are we doing it today?
We've ended up in Asda Cafe. Kids meals for £1. What are we doing, Summer?
So I've just finished work for bank holiday weekend. I'm repping the merch because I've run out of clothes and everything's at the laundrette. But we've noticed today as driving around at work that all the fuel stations are out of diesel. Now, our friend at Morrison's, he's one of the managers in the petrol station, has texted me and said that they've got a couple of thousand litres left of diesel from a delivery they had this morning. So I'm going to run the bus down to Morrison's now and brim her just so we can get some diesel in the bus, because she's due like on Tuesday next week, but we'll do it today while they've got some fuel and get that done. I know it's expensive, but I might as well just put it in while we've got it. So we're going to get this moving down to Morrison's. Let's get in and see if they've got any fuel left. Hopefully. I've only been about half an hour and they had about 3,000 litres left, but it won't last very long. So I'm just hoping they haven't turned the HGV pump off. Okay. Let's have a look. It's empty. Right. Let's see how much the damage is today.
It's going to be more.
Let's have a look. 138 a litre. This could take some time. I reckon 130 quid. Let's have a look.
At least it's not rationed yet.
It's not rationed yet, so we'll take it. But made friends with petrol station managers because they're not when they've got fuel. I'm a my dad just turned up. All good, all good. Stop.
Have you autographed those?
There's no fuel anyway.
Really?
Yeah, there's none this morning.
Diesel?
Yeah, 1,000 litres. It takes me left at half 3. There's like 3,000 litres. Down the bus. There we go. 90 quid. Happy days. Nicole's paying for this. Cheers, Nick.
I always get hit with the big bills. Thanks, comrade.